Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to trade XRP on Coinbase. Open your Coinbase app and create or sign into your account, then verify identity and enable two-factor authentication. Next, deposit funds via bank transfer, debit card, or transfer crypto from another wallet. Finally, navigate to XRP, select order type, set amount, confirm fees, and execute your trade. Keep records of transactions for your taxes and learning. Choose the XRP pair you want and decide if you need a market or limit order based on urgency. For a market order, you accept the current price, while a limit order waits for your target price. Enter the exact XRP amount or dollar value, check estimated fees, and preview the order. Confirm only once details match your plan and keep a screenshot of the confirmation for records and troubleshooting. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty because comfy feet make long trading sessions better and funnier. I honestly use them and they last, which feels like the opposite of bad trades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Protect your account with a strong password and two-factor authentication, and never trade on public Wi-Fi. Manage risk by sizing positions appropriately and limiting XRP to a percentage of your total portfolio you can tolerate losing. Use price alerts and stop orders to automate protection, and review open positions regularly to adjust strategy. Keep records and learn from each trade to improve your process over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.